Hello friends, we are from the team Happy Learnerholic and today we are going to see the question sort rows based on the even integer. Moving on to the program must accept an integer matrix of size R into C as input. The program must sort the rows of the matrix based on the number of even integers in each row. If more than one row have the same number of even integers, then the program must sort those rows in the order of their occurrence. Finally, the program must print the modified matrix as output. Boundary conditions are from 2 to 50. And input format is simple. First you have to get R and C and then you have to get the entire matrix as such. Output format, you just have to present the modified matrix. Moving on to the first input, you have so moving on to the first input, you have 3, 4 and this is the matrix. So what you have to do is number of even integers in the first row, that is this part and this part. So 2, so this will be 2, here it is 3 and here it is 1. So based on this value you have to sort. Based on this value you have to sort the matrix. So when you sort, this will come here, first one, second will become the first will become the second matrix, second will become the third. So it goes on like this. So this is what is expected as the output. So I have coded it in Python and it is a very simple program. Moving on, whatever I explained, the same thing only is there in the code also. First line you are getting R and C, second line you are getting the matrix as input, third line you are just having a dummy variable A. In the A you will be storing the count of the values, that is all these values, count values will be saved in A. And moving on, you are going to count it, right? So first what you will have, you will have a variable x. In x you will have j. For j in matrix of I, that is the first row, if j mod 2 is equal to 0, so all those values will be in j. So first time what will be in j? 2, 4. So 2, 4. Now what you do, in the end of mat of I, in the end you append len of x. So what is len of x? 2, right? So 2. So 2 is appended over here, as well as 2 is appended to the A matrix also. So in the similar way, if you execute this for loop, what you will get? You will get 3 here and 3 appended here also. You will get 1 here and 1 appended here also. So finally A list will be 2, 3 and 1. Then what you do, you sort the A list. I hope up to here it is clear. Moving on further, so up to here it's over. Moving on further, what you do, you check for I in A. So what is this? You take this value first. Okay, so for I in A, if and for j in mat, so you will take, this will be first j, this will be second j and this will be third j. Okay, so for j in mat, so you are taking the first thing. Okay, you are checking whether this is equal to this. No. Again you iterate whether this is equal to this. Again it's no. Again you are checking whether 1 is equal to 1, because it's j of last element now, so you are checking the last element. Okay, now here it is equal, so what you do, you print from here till the last element you print. So this one you will not print, till here you will print. So this will be printed. Now after printing this, what you do, the last element you reassign it to -1. So this will be -1. Okay, so this will be printed first and this will be -1. So the output will be 9, 7, 8 and 5. Okay, now next what you do the same thing. You take 2 and move on here. Here you check 2 is equal to 2. First time itself it's satisfied, so you print till -1. So from here you print this part. So here it will be 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4 and 5. Now again what you do, you come for this 3. You come and yeah, this part you have to make it -1, this line. Okay. And now what you do, you come to 3 and from 3 you check whether 3 is equal to -1, not equal. Then again 3 is equal to 3, you check. Yeah, it is equal. So when it is equal, you just leave this part, and before that part, this entire part you have to print. So what will come here? 4, 9, 8, 6, right? So this part, and then 3 will be changed to -1. So this is what the part you have got as the output for our program. And yeah, that is the expected answer also. That is the expected answer also. You can check it out. So that's for today. Thank you.